Welcome back to Car Accessories and Gadget, the ultimate garage for turning your ride into something seriously awesome. Today, we're diving into 15 clever car gadgets that'll upgrade your drive, keep things organized, and add some serious convenience. From safety tools to slick accessories, we've got it all. And yep, every product is linked for you in the description. Let's get into it. Let's start strong with a 2-in-1 jump starter that also doubles as a tire inflator. This compact beast can bring your dead battery back to life and refill a flat tire without breaking a sweat. It's got built-in USB ports, a flashlight for night use, and a super user-friendly interface. Whether you're stranded in a parking lot or on the side of the highway, this gadget has your back every single time. If that one had you thinking, why don't I already have this? Wait until you check out what's next. Let's freshen things up with a Smart Car Air Freshener. Forget those strong synthetic hanging trees. This gadget uses modern tech to release a clean, subtle scent throughout your cabin. It's USB rechargeable, fits perfectly in your cup holder, and adds a high-end vibe to your interior. A small upgrade that makes a huge difference, and your passengers will definitely notice the freshness. Following that, let's talk practicality with a sleek car tissue box. No more fumbling for tissues or digging through the glove box. This box can mount on your visor or sit neatly in your console, always within reach. Perfect during allergy season for cleaning little messes or handling unexpected spills. It's one of those little additions that quietly makes your car feel more refined and organized. Moving on to something that tackles clutter, the Backseat hanging trunk organizer is a total game changer. It attaches behind your rear seats and turns unused space into a multi-pocket storage hub. Tools, groceries, jumper cables, it all fits in neatly. It keeps your trunk clean, your gear sorted, and frees up floor space. You'll wonder how you ever kept things together without it. Now, let's talk security and peace of mind. A front and rear Dashcam setup lets you record both ends of your drive in full HD. From accident protection to catching that perfect scenic route, it does it all. It turns on automatically when the car starts, features loop recording, and fits discreetly on your dash. Whether for safety or fun, it's a smart addition to any ride. All product links are listed below. Just scroll down and grab what fits your setup after the video. For cleaning perfectionists, you're going to love this car cleaning gel. It's a sticky, flexible goo that presses into vents, cup holders, and gear shifters. All those tiny crevices where dust lives. Just press, peel, and watch the grime come right out. It's reusable, non-sticky to the touch, and weirdly satisfying to use. A detailer's secret weapon. And snack lovers' best friend still dealing with tangled wires? Upgrade your commute with a Bluetooth adapter. Just plug it into your AUX or USB slot, pair your phone, and you're instantly wire-free. Enjoy hands-free calls, stream your favorite playlists, and ditch the clutter. It's compact, reliable, and ideal for older cars that didn't come with Bluetooth built in. Once you plug this in, you won't go back. Let's clean up your console with a retractable car charger. This charger stays coiled and tidy, pulling out when needed and snapping back when not. No more cable spaghetti in your cup holder. It supports fast charging and multiple ports, perfect for long drives or when you've got multiple passengers. It's one of those upgrades that just makes life on the road a little smoother. Now that your tech is sorted, let's mount it right with a magnetic phone holder. This minimalist mount uses powerful magnets to keep your phone stable, even over rough terrain. It swivels for easy viewing and keeps your dash uncluttered. Whether you're using GPS or taking hands-free calls, this is a cleaner, smarter alternative to bulky clamp holders. And while we're at it, let's protect your shades with a visor-mounted sunglasses holder. It clips onto your sun visor, keeps your glasses scratch-free, and always within arm's reach. No more digging in cup holders or worrying about crushed lenses. It's padded inside, clicks securely, and keeps your ride looking sharp while protecting your favorite pair. Quick reminder, links to all these awesome gadgets are right there in the description. Scroll down and grab your favorites when we wrap up. For pet parents, a dog car seat cover is a total upholstery lifesaver. It shields your back seat from fur, claws, dirt, and slobber. It's waterproof, machine washable, and gives your pup a comfy spot for the ride. Whether you're headed to the park or on a long road trip, this cover keeps your car clean and your dog secure. If you've got passengers, turn your back seat into a personal theater with a headrest tablet holder. Great for kids, streaming, or long drives, this holder adjusts to different devices and angles. It's sturdy, wobble-free, and installs easily behind your front seat. Now, everyone can stay entertained while you focus on driving. Bonus points if it keeps the "Are we there yet?" questions to a minimum. Cold mornings? Say goodbye to scraping frost with a windshield ice and snow cover. Just lay it down the night before and peel it off in the morning. Boom! Clean glass. No frozen fingers. It's wind-resistant, folds up easily, and saves you valuable time before your morning commute. A true winter essential that makes freezing mornings way more bearable. Next up, it's time to bring the car wash home with a foam cannon. This hooks to your pressure washer and sprays thick, clinging foam that lifts dirt without scratching. It makes the job faster, more effective, and honestly, a lot more fun. Washing your car becomes less of a chore and more like a pro detailing session in your own driveway. Last, but definitely not least, the electric car jack. Flat tire on the roadside, no sweat. Just plug it in, press a button, and it lifts your car in minutes. It's safer and less tiring than manual jacks, especially if you're stuck on a slope or during bad weather. A true emergency tool that earns its spot in your trunk the moment you need it. And that's a wrap on 15 must-have car gadgets to upgrade your drive and make every trip more stylish, convenient, and prepared. Got a favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And remember, every product we covered is linked right in the description. Check them out and grab what fits your vibe.